The site of this project is located in the suburbs of Shiraz and along the Rokni River, which is mentioned in Hafez's poems. The villa, with an approximate area of 400 square meters, has been designed and built in a garden of 3,700 square meters with old trees without cutting or damaging even a single tree. The land consists of two main lines that divide the garden into two halves. The bedrooms are on the lower level and directly facing the garden. The main hall, guest service, kitchen, and living room are connected to the lobby on the next level, and finally, the room is placed on the lower volume through a window that contains a spiral staircase. The cream-colored rubble stone material, which is very similar to the age of the garden, was chosen as the main material of the body, and flat cement was chosen as the second material on the walls of the facade. The use of metal with rust has been done in such a way that in a moment of history, time has stopped, and these metals have remained in the same form at that moment forever. The designer's effort in making these volumes, as well as door handles and locks, chandeliers, barbecues, sinks, and faucets in the outdoor space using rusted metals but with a different and mechanical approach as independent members added to the body of the garden. It has created a subtle and sweet contradiction in the audience's mind as if these bodies and objects, despite their inherent strength and solidity, have taken refuge in the lap of the garden and its ancient nature and are even trying to serve it. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.